We are gonna talk a little bit about eggs on the griddle. This can be a challenging thing, but it's pretty simple. And if you follow these simple tips, I guarantee your eggs are gonna come out perfect every time. Nice and white, nice and yellow, all that happy stuff. The three things that I use is low heat, a clean griddle, and non-stick cooking spray. Let's make over easy, scrambled, and an omelet. I think that should cover the basis as far as cooking eggs on a griddle. So let's hit her without further ado. I'll make some over easy eggs first. Non-stick cooking spray. I get rid of the excess. So just a light wipe down. Let's drop a couple eggs. Salt and pepper, or whatever seasonings you like on your eggs. We like salt and pepper. All right, I think these eggs are ready to give a flip. I'm gonna make these over easy. I wanna flip it this way, I'll show you. And give her a flip. Let them sit for a few more minutes and you'll have yourself some over easy eggs. Nice and white, no black. Perfect. And that should just about do her. See how they turned out. Woo! Perfect. Dang, those look good. Those look good. Okay, now same concept. I always clean the griddle. Get all that food from the last cook off of there. Grab yourself a paper towel, clean my scraper, a little bit of Pam. You just want a light coat of Pam, so I wipe the excess off with that paper towel. And let's go scrambled. Now I always have my griddle facing the back because I like when the stuff I don't want on the griddle goes to the back, so it's easier to get back in the grease tray. Then I just take my spatula and kind of control it a little bit, just like so, till you build a beaver dam back there, and then pop, 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 pop. And a little salt and pepper, just like so. And we got a breach in our dam, so you gotta get the breach closed up. Just like so. Scrambled eggs go quick. They've only been on the griddle for about 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and I'm already gonna chop them up. Give them a chop, just like so. Boom. Scrambled eggs are done. Just like so. Okay, this griddle is a little bit too dirty to cook an egg on, so we're gonna have to actually put a little bit of elbow grease into this one. First step, scrape it clean. Okay, happy with that. Second step, Pam. Or any non-stick cooking spray. Doesn't have to be Pam. Light coat. Now, I think this griddle's getting a little too warm. I had it on low. I just shut my griddle right off. I think there's plenty of heat in that griddle to make my last omelet, so I shut it right off. I'm gonna be able to obtain enough heat just from that griddle being on for the little bit that it was on. Okay, that's ready to rock and roll. Same thing. It's just like cooking scrambled eggs, except I'm not gonna scramble them up. I'm gonna lay them flat as thin as I possibly can, okay guys? What I do with my omelets is I take my spatula and I flatten them out a little bit. Get them nice and thin. Just like so. And it does not take a very long time to cook an omelet. So pow, 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 pow. Salt and pepper, a little bit of salt. Put the cheese right down the center, just like so. I add my ham, or whatever fixings you guys want to put in your omelet, and fold her up. Fold the end, fold the end, fold the side, just like so. So just fold the side up and in, just like so. Get your spat underneath and fold it one more time. You got yourself a ham and cheese omelet. Voila. So over easy, scrambled ham and cheese omelet. Mwah, ready to rock and roll. We gotta get one of these hash browns up here. Let's get this guy right here. Where should I put it? I'll put it right there. Voila. Okay, let's see how we did. I wish I had some toast. I don't have any toast, but oh yeah. Let's try the over easy. Put a little hash browns in there. Don't those look good, guys? Golly. Over easy egg. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. Scrambled. Yep. How the hash browns taste. Wow. Them are delicious. Them are good, guys. Let's see what the ham and cheese omelet's all about. Absolutely perfect. Well, I hope that helps you guys. That's the tips and tricks from True North Cafe on how to cook eggs on the Blackstone griddle.